Hey folks, today we have a Master 267 model. This is a hasp lock padlock, and this one was given to me by Stu. And this is very cool lock, not because it's secure, but because it's a worded type lock, which means they can be opened with these skeleton keys. Sometimes they do need a bit of persuasion. There you go. So sometimes they do require a bit of persuasion, but they're not that hard to open. In fact, they don't require any skill. Still, a very cool piece of history. This one was made in USA, Milwaukee. So very cool stuff. Today they're made in Mexico, if I remember correctly, and I haven't seen this particular model being made anymore. So yeah, cool stuff. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.